Hi friends, this is Barbara with the Budget Kitchen. Today we are having steak garlic bites, buttery steak garlic bites. We're going to need 2 pounds of stew meats. Get that in there. Then we're going to need some salt and pepper. Oh my God. Don't mind the dog. Just a little bit of garlic. Come on. Sit. Sorry, I had to get the dog out of the way. All right, I want to stir that up a little bit. How is everyone doing? We had a really bad storms last night. We're in Iowa. This is 4 to 5 diced potatoes and then a package 16 ounce of mushrooms. You want to use au jus gravy mix. Sprinkle that on top. Make sure you get it all in there. And then onion soup mix. We're going to throw a stick of butter in there. This is pretty easy recipe. And a tablespoon of garlic. Okay. And then a cup. This is what I have right now because we're camping, so if things look different, that's why. I'm going to throw a cup of beef broth in here. This is one of those small cups, styrofoam cups, but that's going to work. And then we are going to want to give it a stir. You're going to want to cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 5 hours. Tell me how long you're going to cook it. I'm going to cook mine for the 5 hours on high. That looks good. You know, it's not even cooked, but with all of the seasonings, it smells delicious. Okay, friends, I will see you soon. Okay, and now this is done. That looks, excuse my dog, he's playing with his toys. Oh, look at there. This is really hot right now. That looks really good. And look at the meat just falling apart. I'm gonna scoop some of that up into a bowl. Sorry, this is just fogging up my camera. The meat is really tender and all the potatoes are done. Okay, that tastes really good. You've got to try this and then let me know below what you think of it. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And always, keep cooking, friends. I love you all.